In this lecture we fix the issue that allowed restricted items to bypass inventory rules when swapping slots. Like moving a pumpkin into a storage box that should only accept hammers. Let's fix this properly. Open the transfer item function inside the BPC_inventory component. In the section where we already check if the transfer can happen or not, we add an extra validation. First, grab the slot pin from the toIndex of the toInventory component and call isSlotEmpty. This checks if the target slot is empty. For example, when you drag a hammer out of a storage that only allows hammers, the system knows it can be placed if the slot is empty. Next, add an extra check with the isSlotItemAllowed function to verify if the target slot actually allows the item you want to transfer. Combine both conditions with an OR operator node. This means the slot is valid if it is empty or if the item is allowed. Connect this or result back to the main and operator node that controls whether the transfer is allowed. Compile and save everything and hit play to test it out. When you go to your storage and drag the hammer into it, it still works. But if you now try to swap that hammer with a pumpkin, the transfer fails, because the pumpkin is not allowed in that storage box. The hammer, however, can still be moved back into the main inventory since it's allowed there. This was a short fix but an important one to make the inventory logic bulletproof. Next, we will build a simple tooltip system for our items. I know there haven't been many videos lately because I've been busy pushing the course forward, but this month you can expect more episodes for the inventory system and maybe a few other surprises too. Thanks for your patience, and see you in the next lecture.